Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this automatic tape dispenser, which is actually an electric tape cutting machine that you can actually use for tapes between 6 to 66 millimeters width, and you can actually use one big one or you can actually use two small ones. For example, and let me mention that I got this from a brand for this video review. It comes with all necessary instructions that you're gonna use, and for sure this is not a hard thing to actually learn how to use, and I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. But as I was saying before, you can actually use two of this simultaneously, or you can use a big one, and runs with tapes up to 39 or 40 inches long. It is very heavy, but that actually translates into good quality. And as I was saying before, you can use it with Scotch tape, craft sealing tape, masking tape, double side tape, high temperature, acetic acid glow tape, many things. So if you're one of those people that are into like crafts or do it yourself, or you have a store, this could be a really good thing to have. So let me actually show you how it works. You're gonna see that it's super easy. The first thing you're gonna do is remove this piece from the back of the actual machine, and you're gonna press this button right here to release this piece right here. You're gonna move it up, and then right here you're gonna install this, which is a divider in case that you have two of this to actually use. And once that is right here and positioned in place, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually put the tape. So right now I'm gonna use just one masking tape. You're gonna put it in one of the sides, and then you're gonna move this with the sticky part facing down, and you're gonna stick it right here to this side. Make sure that it's turned off right now. It's plugged, but it's turned off. So you're gonna put it this way, and then stick it, as I was saying before, to this part right here where the cutting machine is actually in. So now that it's there, you're gonna put this back again into position. And right here on the left side, you're gonna see what's going on. This is gonna actually put it in place. So you make sure you do that as well. And then you're gonna turn it on. And once that is on, you can do many things with this, but let's start with the basic, which is just the start button. And it's gonna start grabbing the actual tape. You can see this now, and you can just peel it just like this, which is super fast and easy to do. I have my 5 pieces already. And remember, you can put 2 of this right now, and you can actually move it backward, frontward, so you can actually change the width, change the leg. But the best thing about this is the select button. You're gonna see that it keeps selecting. So now it's longer, one more, even longer, one more, even longer, and you get it, right? So you can keep changing the measure of the tape that you need. As you can see, it's super easy to use. This is the guide that you can put to just have longer pieces if you want. And this right here on the back, right here, I'm gonna show you in a few seconds, so turn it off. You can actually use this part right here to replace the cutting piece. I know that that's not gonna happen anytime soon because this is a very sharp one, but it's also super safe, so you don't have to worry about changing it for a long time. But then it's just super easy to use. You just can put 1, 2, one big one short ones. Just remember, between 6 to 66 millimeter deep, and for sure, again, extremely easy to use. I really like it. I think it's a good one if you're into crafts or have a store or do it yourself stuff. Super easy to use, super convenient to have. I like it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.